Hi everybody, I'm back in our lovely break room here at the library today to bring you a fun, springy, easy, unexpected recipe. This is microwave lemon fudge and it is literally a 5-minute recipe. Okay, first thing we need is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Looks like this. It's the little short squatty one. Make sure you get sweetened condensed, not just condensed. Okay. And put him in a microwave safe bowl or measuring cup like I have. And then we need 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 bag plus 1 cup of white chocolate chips. 1 bag is roughly 2 cups, but I'm going to measure here. Make sure we get 3. There's 1 cup. There's, oh, okay. He's short, so it's 2. That'll be 1.5, and then another cup, so it's 2.5. Wow. That bag had some false advertising on it. Because he said 2 cups. Anyway, the recipe says 1 10-ounce bag plus 1 cup of white chocolate chips. So, even though the bag said 2 cups, it's 1.5 cups. Okay, so we've got that in with our sweetened condensed milk and our butter. This is a microwave recipe. I'm gonna mix this up really well, make sure all of my chocolate chips are coated, and then he goes in the microwave 30 seconds at a time, and then every time you take it out you stir it really well. Okay? Okay, so we let that cook for 30 seconds. Now I did speed up the process a little bit. I heated up my sweetened condensed milk first, so you guys didn't have to watch me run the microwave like 5 times. Okay? So, while that cooks, got about 10 more seconds, you will need a prepared pan. This is just a little Pyrex dish. You can use an 8x8 Pyrex. I had an oblong. Okay. He beeped. Where's my spatula? There's my spatula. Alright, he's melting really well. See that? Okay, I've still got some chunks in there, so I'm just going to mix it up really well. Stir it up good. Make sure that butter is melting. And then back in the microwave he goes for another 30 seconds. Okay, the pan. I had an oblong, but it doesn't matter if you use an 8x8 or I think this is 5x9 or something. Either way, you're going to line it with aluminum foil and then spray the aluminum foil. Okay? Fudge likes to stick. We want to be able to get this out of the pan. Spray him well. The foil, when you're done, is going to act like a handle, so you can pick him up like this and he'll all come out in one piece. Okay? If you don't do that, you are never getting this stuff out of the pan. Forget it. It's just not going to happen. You're going to have to eat it with a spoon. Alright, I'm just going to stir this up really good again. Okay. Make sure that butter gets melted in there. Mix it all together really well, and it should smooth out. It starts out looking a little stringy. This is starting to smooth out really nice. Okay. I still have 1 little piece of butter in there. So, I'm going to put him back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Total cook time with this is about 2 to 3 minutes. Like I said, I already heated up the sweetened condensed milk, so you didn't have to watch this process. And he was in there for a minute to get nice and warm. Okay, so this is going to take, what, we're on our third 30 seconds, so 2.5 minutes so far. Pretty easy. There we go. Okay. Alright. Mix it up really, really well. Make sure you get everything scraped off the edges and off the bottom. If you don't, it's going to get too hot as you put it in. And then it's going to burn and bad things are going to happen. Okay, our butter's all melted. I don't see a piece of him in there anymore. This is nice and smooth. Okay, so we're going to make it lemon. First thing we do to make it lemon is yellow food coloring. This one is gel. You can use the liquid, doesn't matter. And it takes a good amount to get it nice and yellow. That also depends on your food coloring. Some are stronger than others. Okay, see, he's already turning yellow. Okay. Oh yes, he's a lovely shade. Very lemony, very pretty. Okay, again, make sure you get all the way down to the bottom. You don't want any streaks. Okay, so he's colored yellow. Now we have to put the lemon flavoring in. The recipe calls for, let me look, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon extract. Okay, I'm about out of my lemon extract, so we will see where this goes. There's a 1/2 and a 1. Oh, I'm just short. Okay, figured that was going to happen. Okay, another thing that I like to put in here is lemon oil. You can find this over with the cake decorating supplies at various stores. It smells like a fresh lemon. It's so good. A little bit of this goes a long way, but it does have a wonderful lemon flavor. I like to put a drop or two in because it adds such a fresh lemon flavor. Okay, just a touch. And then you stir that up really well. If you don't get that stirred up really well, you are going to have a lemon head in one spot and just sweetened milk in another. Okay, make sure you get that really good. Okay, now comes the fun part. Take a measuring spoon and taste it. Make sure you have enough lemon in there. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. So, that was easy, right? 5 minutes. It's cooking in the microwave. It's easy. Okay. So we're going to put it in our prepared pan. Can you see that? Do I need to move a little? Okay, so here's our prepared pan. Remember, this is lined with foil and sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, make sure you get it all out of there. All right, couldn't get much easier than that, could it? All right, now, there we go. Okay, now we want to tap this a little bit. Don't know if you can see that. See the bubbles shining? We want to get rid of some of those. So I'm just going to take my knife, I'm going to tap them to the surface and then just prick them with a knife or a toothpick to get rid of them, because you don't want bubbles in your fudge. You want fudge in your fudge. Sorry, I know that's loud. Okay, Now we're going to decorate. You can use any sprinkles that you have. Today I have some sugar. There we go. Some dusting sugar. I have a silver and a white. You can also find this in the cake decorating spot at your local grocery store. And I think we'll do it this way. Just gonna kind of sprinkle that over the top. You can use whatever you have. If you have some nice pink and green ones that look springy, that's fine. I don't think I would use red and green for Christmas. If you were doing this for Mardi Gras, you could put a little more yellow in here, and then that could be your gold, and then you could put purple and green sprinkles on top for Mardi Gras. That'd be kind of fun. I know we're a little bit late for that, but that's okay. All right. A little bit of silver, a little bit of white. That's it. Isn't that nice? Oh, he's can't tip him very much. Anyway, that is our microwave lemon fudge. Put you back in the holder here so you can see me. Okay, that's it, guys. 5-minute fudge. White chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, butter, a little bit of lemon extract. Put it in a foil-lined baking sheet, and then there's no more cooking. We put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours to set. When it's done, just grab your foil and you can lift the whole shebang right out of the pan and cut him with a sharp knife. Okay? I hope you enjoy this with all your friends. It's a great springtime treat. Happy cooking, everybody. Bye-bye.